Hi everyone, I'm Saikumar. Today I'm going to discuss my paper presentation is requirement of Elicitation tool of traffic management system is called let's hear it form of RETTA. Going to next slide. What is mean by traffic management? It's a traffic management is a crucial aspect of logistics that involves the coordination of transport service for the movement of vehicles and goods. The main goal of traffic management is to plan, control, purchase the necessary transport service required for the efficient and timely movement of freight. Effective traffic management plays a critical role in ensuring the smooth operation of logistics systems and can lead to improved productivity and cost savings. Going to next slide, what are the importance of traffic management? Traffic management plays a vital role in ensure the smooth and safe movement of goods, peoples, and as precedents as a transportation methods and techniques continue to advance and evaluate the needs for intelligent traffic management system becomes increasingly important. A smart traffic management system can be operated through software and operated through can manually controlled by humans, making it a flexible and efficient solution. To develop a smart traffic management system, it's essential to gather all necessary requirements. In this article, we will be using a requirement education tool called RETA to gather all the source and requirements for building an effective by time management system. By gathering all necessary requirements through RETA, we can ensure that our smart traffic management system is tailored to meet specific needs and demands of the transportation industries in a more efficient and effective manner. I'm going to next slide. What are the importance of RETA? RETA is a tool, powerful resource that combines the collective intelligence of crowd with advanced machine learning approaches like NLP and Navy based to facilitate requirement education. This approach helps to bridge the gap between stakeholders from the software development and transportation engineering domains. Main thing is developing software relevant system for complex domain like traffic management can be particularly challenging. To create an effective traffic management system, we need to consider a broad range of requirements, including the desired needs of traffic user, legal issues, transportation demands, road network knowledge, traffic conditions, and emergency control system. And all with RETA, we can gather these requirements efficiently and effectively, allowing us to create a smarter, more comprehensive traffic management system that is tailored to specific need of transportation industries. The tool's advanced machine learning capability enable it is to analyze large amount of data, uncovering patterns and insight the might otherwise be missed, resulting in a more accurate and robust time management system, which has TMS. Going to next slide. RETA aims to tackle problems associated with the requirements gathering of time management service such as emergency medical service and traffic signals timing and urban transportation planning. In this domain, the main stakeholders are crowd participants in the traffic network who who use time management service, and at the same time define the requirements of this service. We applying the crowd sourcing techniques as one of the requirement engineering techniques to prototype the reactor tool. Going to next slide, prototype of the RETTA is designed based on the lesson learned is more than 5 years of working with transportation engineers on traffic manner to design develop the tool. We used the model view of model which has MVVM architecture. We wrapped all of these technical details analytical computation to the model here. Going to next slide, the figure shows the figure one. Figure one illustrate the dynamic and sequence of activities of the RETA prototype. Moreover, figure two shows the main screen of RETA and interaction flows to identifying functional and non-functional requirement of sample time management system. This screen shows time management service such as EMS, UTP, and TST are loaded. The user can choose the target service for which they intend to develop the software relevant system. Each time management service a specific data source and they differ in term of crowd. Let us summarize the main feature of RETA by describing an allocation scenario for the TST system. Going to next slide. The figure 2 shows a TST. TST is a TM means time management system, which is goal of optimizing signal timing in a traffic area. Once user internalizes the tool of defining the geographical location in which the time management software will be developed, the tool will be present list of service that are qualified for implementing the requirement elicitation process. If the tool failed to collect adequate information for exploring the requirements for a specific service, that service will not offer to user. As shown in the figure 2, the user select the TST service. Following this section, the RETA tool lists available data source which can be identified based on the geographical location of the user on the initial settings of the tool. Going to next slide. For the instance, in area where traffic signal sensor data is not available, the tool does not list in this data source. To educate the requirements for the TST service, the following source can be used. Going to first point, real-time traffic data, including the data from traffic cameras, drones, signal sensors, connected vehicles, and cell phones. Then going to second point, historical traffic data, for example, five cities, and transportation agencies. Third point is social network like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or etc. This requirement engineers can select any of these data sources depending on the type of service content for which they are developing software. In this stage, the tool asks the user to characterize the specific feature of the content under development. Figure 2 represent a sample screen characterizing Twitter data collection. The details showed on the screen may vary by the type of data source selected by the user. Going to next slide. What are the examples? The, for the example, the tool asks for specific geographical area when a user select the camera data source. Once all the data source are collected that all required for education process, the RETA tool deploys various domain specific data analysis techniques. For example, traffic data analysis, and machine learning methods such as NLP topic modeling, association, rule mining, web algorithms to allocate and clarify time management system. Going to next point, due to the co-occurrence patterns in Twitter, the RETTA tool combines all of the retrievatives related to specific service and then applies the LDA algorithms. The main data pre-processing system steps such as removing English stop words, numbers, HTML tags, and steaming process will be applied before NLP take on the retrieved tweets. Moreover, I'm going to last point. Moreover, to clarify the requirement, we have proposed some domain-specific regular explanation such as signals, light, traffic, accident, and malfunctions such as which characterize the realizability of TST service. Going to next slide. What are going to next slide? Conclusion. Going to conclusion. The RETA tool The RETTA tool provides an interactive environment of allocating requirements in TM domain, time management domain. RETTA is remarkably easy to use and very thought-provoking for allocating traffic domain requirement. Future work will concentrate on improving the efficiency and completing text analysis and clarification approaches for exploring and clarifying requirements. Moreover, we aim to improve the applied requirements education process in Creator tool to address the complexity and scale of crowd and to ensure that we record their requirements efficiently and precisely.